remember that it's those struggles that make the rewards, that make the good things really worthwhile, really rewarding. All right, so I'm getting Denali's tail cleaned up a little bit and do my Wednesday wash rack wisdom talk. First thing I want to talk about, I just mentioned saddle fit. It's kind of funny. Got detangler on me. It's kind of funny if you remember the Percherons that I had here a while back. He actually requires a wider saddle than what I had to have on those Percherons. So just kind of an interesting note. It's really thick right here, thicker than what those Percherons were. But anyways, over the weekend, this past weekend, I watched the movie Click with Adam Sandler. It's an older movie. A lot of you might have seen it. I like most of the Adam Sandler movies. But anyways, in the movie, he had a remote for life that let him fast forward. Anything that he didn't want to experience, he could click fast forward on the remote and just fast forward through that part of life. And it wasn't too long that he basically fast forwarded so much, and he was an old man. He had fast forwarded through all the bad stuff, and in the process of doing that, he missed all the rewards that goes with that. And when I have made the comment before that the journey is the reward and winning is a bonus. And that's basically the same thing as what Adam Sandler was going through in that movie. He fast forwarded through the journey looking for the win, and in the process he actually missed out on the reward. So as you're journeying through your journey with your horse, there's going to be ups and there's downs, and you see here when I show the videos, there's ups and downs. Had some downs yesterday, last week with a couple of videos. The horses didn't behave too great. But the thing about it is those downs are what makes the positive things that much more rewarding. We go to a show, and often it's not good. And we have to work to make it better. And when it's not good, it's hard. That's a hard learning experience. But it's that learning experience that helps us to value the good things. So when you're experiencing things with your horse that are not good, you're struggling with, remember that it's those struggles that make the rewards, that make the good things really worthwhile, really rewarding. So think about that in your journey with your horse. Again, this is Denali. I'll put a link up here to his playlist, or I'll put a link to the other Wednesday videos. That's what I'll do. And a couple of people I think are really enjoying these wash rack talks. So until next time, thank you for watching.